All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, I'm not a little boy that grew up to be a man like this. So just to take a little bit of time off from each and every one of you. All right. Once again, okay. Looking at the wrong time again, 1 hour behind. Good morning, everybody. Okay, my name is Mark. All right. So I'm the coordinator for the event together with the team. While we are settling the technical difficulty, we always have what we call a backup plan. So the idea is this. I'm here to share some information. For some of you who are performing right now, the morning half, the G1 group, I'd just like to remind you, all right? For those of you who are taking the packages and whatever, lunch, okay? Lunch will be after the opening ceremony at 12 noon, okay? So what you do is for the G1 group, you can go out to the registration counter, all right? Then they will bring you, okay, to a place to have lunch. Are we good with that? Those of you who are here early for the G2 performance, all right, for the afternoon performance, your lunch would be at 11 o'clock, okay, which is like, say, about 12 minutes from now. But what we like to do is to encourage you, okay, to stay for the opening ceremony. Then after that, we can have a little bit of lunch with that. Are we okay with that? Okay? Now, the other thing is we are very, very happy with the response that we have received for the workshops, okay? So each and every workshop, there's one workshop so far that we had to close up early, okay? Okay, so because it's full house, okay? Mr. Puja Chawaraka, yeah, your workshop is fully booked, okay? So you have a lot of people at your workshop. Can we give him a big round of applause, everybody? All right, okay? And also the other workshops are going on. Now we've only like 5 places left. So those of you who are in the morning session, your workshops are in the afternoon. We've got another like 4 or 5 slots left. So what you could do is you could go over, sign up for the workshop and fill that up too. Okay? For myself, I'll be conducting a team building session so that you can ease off, chill off a little bit, so you can have some fun, some games before anything else. Now, for your information, the workshop will be held across at the Sherwood residence. Okay, it's on level 2. There'll be signages that shows you all where exactly the workshop is being held. 2, there'll be people from here, the team from APAF, they will bring you guys across. All right, so if you are very keen, very interested, come and make this a wonderful event. As it is, we'd like to thank each and every one of you, as of now, okay, for your warm attendance, all right, your response. So far, we'd like to thank each and every, we are ahead of time. We are ahead of time. Thanks to each and every one of you for being punctual, okay? So what we like to do is also, but what we're going to do is, we're also going to make it that the the opening ceremony itself will still be on at 11:20. Okay, so after this, the last performance, we will have a short break. We will gather everything, we get all the scoring done and all that. We will come back and we will do the opening ceremony followed by the prize giving. Okay, so we encourage each and every one of you. We see that the room is actually quite filled up now and we are very happy. We encourage each and every one of you afterwards to stay back, all right, and join us in the opening ceremony because I know you want to see who wins the prizes, the gold, the silver, or the bronze. All right? Thank you very much. If you have any inquiries at all, you're not sure, okay, and uncertainties, check at the registration counter in front. And before anything else, on behalf of all the APF team members, we would really like to apologize for any hiccups that you've had in the morning, as we always expected, all right? But we are trying to do our best with what is at hand. So kindly accept our sincere apologies from the bottom of our heart, all right, that we are trying to do the best we can. And of course, with all the help and the support from all the lovely judges here, we know that this event is going to be impactful. Thank you.
So for our last performance, I'm calling J1 M50, Aska Rindra Gunawan performing Little Drummer Boy from AAG Music School, Indonesia.
Come, they taught me para pam pam pam. A newborn king to see para pam pam pam. pam pam pam, ram pam pam pam. So to honor him, pa ram pam pam pam. When we come, little baby, pa ram pam pam pam. I am a poor boy too, pa ram pam pam pam. I have no gift to bring, pa ram pam pam pam. That's sweet to give for king, pa ram pam pam pam, ram pam pam pam, ram pam pam pam. Shall I play for you, pa ram pam pam pam, on my drum? Pam 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 pam. Mary nodded, pa ram pam pam pam. The ox and lamb kept time, pa ram pam pam pam. I play my drum for him, pa ram pam pam pam. I play my best for him, pa ram pam pam pam, ram pam pam pam, ram pam pam pam. Then he smiled at me, pa ram pam pam pam, in my drum. Come, they told me, pa ram pam pam pam. A newborn king to see, pa ram pam pam pam. Me and my drum, me and my drum, ram pam pam
Thank you very much. So now we will have a 15-minute break. And after that, please group 1 from M1 until M50 come back to the hall for the opening ceremony.